Hi there, friend. Thanks for stopping by the Consolidated Electronic Wire and Cable facility here in Chicago, Illinois. If you haven't seen our previous adventure through time and the history of wire, click here. Today, you're going to learn a bit more about Consolidated Electronic Wire and Cable and their capabilities. Follow me! Welcome to the Consolidated Electronic Wire and Cable facility. This hustling, bustling metropolis of wire and cable products is where the magic happens. Everything from simple wire cutting and stripping to complete custom solutions. Well, looky here. Those hardworking cowpoke behind the glass are busy creating custom cable assemblies for one of their customers. And here, others are building custom wire harnesses. Boy, that looks complicated, but they're having no trouble with it. This team is working on some custom power cords, one more of Consolidated Electronic Wire and Cable specialties. In case you couldn't tell, they do a lot of custom work here.
Thank you for your patience, ladies and gentlemen. We are now boarding.
Let's take a look at this item. It's going to need lots of custom wiring and cabling throughout. All the wires need to be a very precise length and thickness in order for it to function properly, while still fitting comfortably inside the housing. Custom colors will help identify certain important wires for repair technicians, and entire custom assemblies can be designed and manufactured to make putting the product together that much easier. What's the process for your average project? I'm glad you asked. First, the friendly Consolidated Electronic Wire and Cable sales team gathers a project specifications, then sends that off to the production team to produce an accurate quote.
Why are we wearing hard hats to quote this? Shh, it looks more official this way. It's for the video.
Sales will get that back off to the customer for their review. Once they accept the quote, they fill out a new customer form, and the Consolidated Electronic Wire and Cable team gets to work doing what they do best. Once production is wrapped, everything is checked for quality before it's packed with tender loving care and shipped out the door. So, as you can see, it's a pretty easy process for their customers. If that sounds good, reach out and give Consolidated Electronic Wire and Cable a spin today.